Alright, so what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about Apecoin. It's been a long time since I did a price prediction here for this market, so I said let me come in and talk to my people and show what I think the market in Apecoin is about to do. I mean, you can see where it is now, though, compared to where it was on our last video. It was trading around like $1.60, $1.50. Here it is today, 42 cents. So yeah, it wasn't too good since our last opportunity to see where Apecoin is going to go to where it is now. But who knows? Maybe we'll see the market in Apecoin begin to go higher, because if it does, we definitely want to make sure that we participate in that move. So welcome everyone to the channel. Make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe. If you guys do appreciate the predictions that are being construed here, then make sure you guys follow me here on this platform as well. So now let's break down what happened into the market in Apecoin back in December. Okay, so let's go ahead and zoom in there first. And let's look at the market right now. So at that moment, you can see that Apecoin was in the uptrend. It looked like we were contrary to that position of price going up in Apecoin to where it was looking for the market to go down, and it actually did just that. Maybe a day into the price prediction, the market did hit ultimate TP price at 20.35% at $1.17. It went a lot lower than that. So like, if we go all the way to where price is right now in Apecoin, let's see how much that profit has increased to now. So it's like 70.71% right there. And that really happened all the way back in March of this year. Price ran all the way down to 43 cents. So now let's go ahead and get rid of that. We got a lot of information here to update on the chart for Apecoin. First thing we want to do is get rid of these buy pockets here in the market in Apecoin. Zoom in a little bit closer, and we're going to identify the newest pockets of where sellers are and where the buyers are. Okay, so let's go ahead and identify these sellers first. Okay, so that's probably the biggest spot to where we can definitely see some resistance coming into the market at in Apecoin. Bring it up just a little bit. Let's get it a little bit closer. We're going to add a sell pocket right here. Let's add another one here. And we're going to add one more. Okay, so only in the event that we're looking for prices in Apecoin to go higher. Apecoin to go higher. These would be targets. Okay. Now, just like we created the sell pockets, we need to do the same for the opposite side of the market. So we're going to go ahead and create a buy pocket right here. And it's pretty good to see that today the market here in Apecoin is actually holding these buy pocket that was created after October the 10th. So if anything, we all know that there's people in the market in Apecoin that still wants to see the cryptocurrency go up. So that's good to see in Apecoin. Now I want us to break down this massive volatility day in Apecoin on October the 10th to see if there's any closer or any more definitive areas of buying in the market. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this area right here. So I think you guys can see it right there on the 15-minute chart. And let's look at one on the 5. All right, so there we go. So now we're going to look at the market in Apecoin on the 2. So we have 31 minutes, 46 seconds left, and the market definitely looking kind of bullish. We might need to break down that October 10th price bar to see any more sell pockets. You probably do that too, because on the daily chart, this market does look kind of bullish to the point to where we may even see price break that sell pocket right there. Okay, so look at this on the 4 again. So the 4-day time frame pretty much look identical to the 2. See that price bar? This really lets us know that the buyers were active over the last 2 days in trading for Apecoin and even on the 4, because the price currently is closing at the high of the bar and looking like we only got 31 minutes left. It may close that way. Okay. Weekly chart real quick. 2 weeks. Apecoin on the 3, 5, and for the month. Okay. So yeah, this hasn't been a good meme coin. Ever since it was launched, it got a couple of months to where this cryptocurrency was hyped up by influencers and everybody else. And, you know, once you quit talking about something, it goes down to the wayside. It collapses. And as you can tell, that is the direction in which the market in Apecoin has gone. But yeah, this market currently is bullish. In Apecoin, we're going to go ahead and add a pocket right here now of buying. That's very good to see that for. We're going to add one more. It might be 2 more. No, let's just do this. Okay, so yeah, we are going to look for the market in Apecoin to go higher. We're going to go ahead and identify more sell pockets here in Apecoin, besides the one that price is currently trying to break. Yeah, you might look at this on a 5-minute chart. Hold on, let me bring that over so we can see this on a 5-minute. Okay, so here will be the next one right here. Just in case you couldn't see that. Right here. And then right there. Okay, so now I think we're done. I think we can go ahead and anticipate some higher prices for Apecoin. We got our targets right here. This is a very shallow sell pocket right there. Just want you all to see that. Okay, so the first target obviously is the first sell pocket. Okay, for us to see price hit high of that sell pocket, it still gives us 5.25% move from where the market currently is. Okay, it's 5% there. Targeting the next sell pocket, which is around like 50 cents, 51.25 cents. I'll do that there. And that last one, around 54 cents. And that's it. I am done. You're up. Let me know your thoughts. Make sure you maintain profit. And as always, trade different, because that is where your edge is.